Alrighty, you guys, just jumping on real quick. I mean, pretty cool price action right from the get-go. Unbelievable. Look at that. You get this nice push off this opening in the evening here, and you get this awesome sell off a daily GANN. He goes all the way down almost to a daily GANN. It's crazy. Wait, is that right? That can't be right. Yeah, okay, that's 4 hours. A daily, as I say, I knew a daily was a little bit different. Yes, look at that. Almost the same thing, but look at that. Daily GANN to daily GANN. So that's pretty amazing. Who knows what's going to happen now? But an awesome price action. Oh man, these sells right at the daily GANN. That's just unbelievable. So yeah, kind of watching this tonight. Just kind of announcing. I think most people know that follow me. I have a bunch of indicators that are going to be coming out. So it's pretty cool. Just rolling out. I rolled out the Elite GANN Balanced one, so members have access to these signals now. And either tonight or in the morning, they'll have access to the volume and then the NQ GANN Scalper Pro. So when you put it all together, it looks kind of like this, and then they'll be able to tweak it however they want. They can get the buy and sell signals at the ratio they want. I recommend doing daily, but people can trade on the hourly. They can trade on the 4 hour. I love signals right at the daily GANNs. Just trade daily to daily. I mean, it doesn't always work out like that, but that's my favorite setup. Honestly, is when you catch a daily GANN to daily GANN. Now, I wish that could happen more often. But anyway, so I got a little bit of work, and then I have actually 2 other indicators that look really good too. But those will be probably a couple weeks out, just because it takes time to filter through some stuff. But this is a really awesome price action, and again, I'm really excited to get all these 3 out to, and all it is $25 a month. You can click on the link to get access. It's a pretty killer deal. You get all these. You're going to get all this, the quad threat, and then this is like another quad threat, but just more enhanced, and it's just killer, just awesome. I have a video earlier about how these work, and it's pretty amazing. So anyway, I'll be on in the morning, and hope you guys have a great Sunday evening. Take care.